So have you ever wondered what are the main ways to make money online doing affiliate marketing? Now, if you have, I'm going to be going over the 5 major ways to do marketing online and earn commissions. We're going to be starting with how you can make money online simply by getting people to install an app, as well as 4 other methods. So stay tuned. I'm going to be bringing the money. I'm going to be showing you these really cool methods of how you can affiliate with large companies to earn real commissions online. Let's check it out. So let's check out these 5 ways to make money online. We're going to start with is app installs. Now, just a little bit about me. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 10 years now. I've been marketing other businesses online and earning commissions for helping them get more app installs, customers, users, trials, etc. So I've been doing all of these methods, and I'm going to show you the top 5 right here. So app installs are really important. A lot of companies work off of apps. Now, companies like Facebook will actually pay you to get users to advertise their app to users in other countries. Facebook currently pays 55 cents for you to get their app installed on users in a number of third world countries such as Pakistan, Romania, among others. So these are markets that Facebook is trying to get more of a leg hold in, and you can work with affiliate networks such as Above All Offers to start advertising Facebook's app in those countries and get paid every time somebody installs an app that everybody already knows about anyway. Easy money. The next way you can make money online as an affiliate is getting people to fill out their contact information. Okay, and you can do this with working with companies such as Allstate Insurance. I hope everyone here has heard of Allstate Insurance. They have all those annoying ads on TV. Now, to get somebody to fill out their contact information, somebody who's interested in auto insurance or home insurance, you get a whopping $10. So this is money that Allstate was already going to spend on marketing, and they'd be happy to pay you $10 to capture that person's contact information so their sales agents or telemarketers can follow up with them and sell them insurance, basically. The next person will pay you a lot of money, and this is where we're starting to get into some real money here, and this is software. If you can get people to install software on their computer or TV, you can get paid as much as $20 from Hulu. Hulu will pay you $20. I hope everyone here has heard of Hulu. It's sort of like Netflix if you haven't heard of it. Again, remember, these companies are happy to pay you $20 if you are advertising or marketing their product for them, because they're usually spending way more than that on advertising with no guarantee of results. So this next product category introduces us to the biggest market that is in consumer products, the biggest, I'd say, online sales company ever, which is getting people to buy products. And you can work with Amazon as affiliate program to earn as much as 5 to 10% marketing products that people are probably already going to buy on Amazon. Now, just to note that the average order value of each order on Amazon is $47. So 10% of that means that you're earning about $4 to $5 per sale in commission every time you refer somebody over to Amazon's website and they end up purchasing something. Now, before we get to this last category of affiliate marketing, which is personally my favorite, if you can just go over to the subscribe button and just slam that button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell, then you'll get informed of my live streams or, question and answer sessions in the future. Now, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, I have a 6-week course which you can find out more information in the description. I hold free training sessions every single week where you can learn how you can start your affiliate marketing business, and also learn about my 6-week training course in which I take on students and help them go from 0 to having a complete online business which is earning them money. So the last area of affiliate marketing is helping people invest their money. And from this field, you can earn a whopping average of $2,000 in commissions, getting people to basically invest their money in alternative assets. Now, there aren't many companies that run investment affiliate programs right now, but one is called Regal Assets. And I've worked with their affiliate program in the past and made quite a bit of money. They'll pay 3% of their average sale value, which is $65,000. That evens out to about $2,000 is the average commission when you are working with this affiliate program. So I hope that informs you about the 5 different types of affiliate programs that are out there. You can make money getting people to install apps. You can make money getting people to fill out their contact information. You can make money getting people to sign up for software trials. And you can get money having people buy products and investing their money. And what's crazy is the top 3 categories, you don't even have to have people put down a dime. They just have to open up their phone, install an app, and you make money. Let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite category of affiliate marketing? Was it app installs? Was it contact? Was it software? Was it buying products? Or was it investment? Let me know in the comments, and next time I'll try to go deeper into the category that you find the most interesting. Until then, make sure you stay focused, keep learning, and get that money. Let's get it. Woo!